Effect of campaign, IO and line item level settings on budget. The platform hierarchy is shown in this slide. Budgets can be allocated at three levels: campaign, IO and line item levels. It can, however, only be controlled at IO and line item levels. The campaign level settings in platform dashboard is shown in this slide, and it makes clear that these settings as shown in this picture like KPI, goal, budget, flight dates, etc. have no effect on serving at any level of the entire hierarchy. So the total campaign budget given here has no impact on serving and is optional one. The budget value entered here is just utilized for tracking purpose only. If not at campaign level, where does the budget depends on? First is at IO level, while the second is at the line item level. It is mentioned here that budget and pacing are dependent on both IO and line item level settings. Budget pacing topic will be covered in future videos, but for now let's focus on budget flow in DV360.